back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead comes from a viewer of this channel. I got an email to my email address that is always listed in my YouTube description box, letting me know that they had found this job lead, and it was great to share with everyone. So, of course, if you come across anything you think should be shared, please email it to me at that email address listed down below, and I will do my best to get those shared. The goal of this channel is to just help everybody find that best work from home job for you. And of course, also down below in the YouTube description box, the link to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, will be linked there. But with that being said, today's job lead is from Airbnb, the company that lets people rent out houses to stay in when you are on vacation. They are looking for an operations investigation specialist. This is remote for the United States only. You're basically going to be responsible for making sure the daily service level agreements are met and responding to user tickets and reviewing users or reservations for risk to the users of the Airbnb platform. You'll maintain a subject matter expertise on your respective specialization to successfully complete your work and escalations. You're going to help educate users on how to maintain security and safety while using Airbnb. You'll investigate complex situations for potential fraud surfaced in high volume work queues. You'll work with operational leads to support cross-functional groups to develop and enhance internal policies and tools that increase automation. You'll help update policies and fix any product loopholes. So you need to understand their risk system and investigate account patterns. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, they're not requiring a college degree. They do want somebody who has 1 to 2 years of experience with risk management, fraud prevention, or trust and safety. Somebody who can work 40 hours a week. Someone who has great communication skills, great problem-solving skills, and can work in a fast-paced environment. You also need the ability to remain calm in time-sensitive situations, so someone who works well under pressure. Now, again, this position is remote for the United States only, but pay for this position is anywhere from $58,000 a year all the way up to $68,000 a year. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.